Hey guys, and welcome back. So I did mention that there was going to be a competition of some sorts um, for one of the websites that I go on regularly to get inspiration from, which I've mentioned before, Game Artisans. Um, yeah, so on must have been on Saturday. It popped up, and so it's called the Blizzfest, or Blizzardfest, art competition with three main entries: a 3D entry, a 2D entry, and an animation entry. And I'm going to obviously do the 3D one. And yeah, have just started bringing up some concepts, and started to do my own concepts as well. So the reason I chose this, out of everything, like personally, I've played Warcraft and probably Diablo more than StarCraft, but I don't know. I've always liked the design of the Vikings. This is the Viking unit from on the Terran side, and yeah, just really excited to give it a go. So the competition runs from now, or from Saturday, through till I think the soft deadline is for the 22nd or the 23rd, one of those days of September. So that's roughly 2 months, probably just around 2 months to produce something. I will be away though for part of that, so hopefully I can get it done before then. And yeah, the rules are pretty simple. It's take a unit or an enemy or NPC that isn't, a named character or hero or boss or specialized character from the either StarCraft, Diablo, World of Warcraft as a series, or Hearthstone, I think, is the last one. Which, I don't know, Hearthstone is just Warcraft. The units from that game will be from the Warcraft and World of Warcraft series. So yeah, I don't know why they specifically said that. Be the same as saying Heroes of the Storm. Which essentially is a Heroes of the Storm competition, because although they have a lot of named characters, they also have they're starting to bring in characters that are of a unit and making a hero version of them. So the siege tank is an example of that. But yeah, like I said, I've decided to choose the Viking. I like the design of it, and I'm hoping I can make it so that it transforms like it does in the game. You can sort of see here's the flight version, here's the transformed version. So it'll be interesting anyway. I have, I have some videos as well that I have been watching. So the Heart of the Swarm cinematic for the Viking that transforms in that, I just played around in one of the training tools for Terran and recorded my own Viking, and there was a Viking transformation video as well. Let's just see if it comes up on the main page. So it's not going to be very clear, but you can see that it some of the parts will fold in on itself, which will be pretty hard to do. The actual cinematic one, I just probably shouldn't play this, but let's just try and find it anyway quickly. It's just after there. Yeah, so that's that part anyway. So it's gonna look more like that, but more hero-like. So hopefully I don't get flagged for that. It should have been short enough to not count. Yeah, so like I said, pulled up some reference images. This isn't all that I'll be using, because obviously it has the two forms, so I'll be using some references from like the Dreadnought from Warhammer 40k, and some other Warhammer references as well, and probably some stuff from the Matrix, because there's that walker that they sit in as well. Transformers might be a good thing to reference for this. We'll have to see. But yeah, so just quickly, I did a very rough trace over of the Viking in its plain form, because I think that's what I want to base most of the design off, because the legs themselves won't be too much different, or rather won't be too different from what they've got here, which is the sort of, I probably might have a third one if I can work out a way to fold the toes up. So the 3 toes, similar to this, with the connection there, and this being just like the back pistons for the sort of leg/knee joint that is there. So yeah, like I said, did a quick sketch there, and then I've duplicated it, and I'm gonna just do some quick designs over the top of this. Probably not today, or not now, because I'm almost up for time, but that's the plan anyway. So sketch out some different types of planes, and then I might do a quick trace over of this walker, and or maybe just the parts, like the segments, like changing the missile pods to be more rectangular like this one, instead of more round like this, and giving it a nose piece, probably something like this. I don't know, maybe a combination of the two, because this is the mercenary one that you get in Wings of Liberty, which still isn't a hero class, but it's on the way to becoming something a little more different. But yeah. So doing some designs on this, and whatnot. I'll put it in the description, but I have started my entry as well. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description, but you can find it on Game Artisans if you go to gameartisans.org, and then if you search Game Artisans into Google, you should be able to find the page pretty quickly. Then click down here on the Blizzard link, and then challenge open. You should be able to click here, and you won't be able to join unless you log in, but you can view current entries. Let's just go through them now. So there's mine, the Deathbringer Viking. There's a Naga, a Reaper, Just these are the animation ones, I think. I don't know what that is, but it looks like it's from, I don't know, Diablo maybe. It's cool. A troll, orc, kobold, goatman. That's obviously, I'm pretty sure that's from Diablo. Rifleman from WoW. That's from Diablo as well. Murloc. So a lot of World of Warcraft stuff and not that much StarCraft. We have a probe. That'll be interesting because it's such a basic unit, and I'm guessing this will be a Zealot or a Dark Templar or something like that. What does he say? Quick mock-up. So you mentioned Zealots there. It does look like the Zealot with the archers on it. It's a cool sketch. This guy's someone to watch out for, I think. Yeah, so a couple of StarCraft ones, a lot of WoW, and probably, I don't know, probably equal StarCraft and Diablo, and just, yeah, lots of World of Warcraft stuff. Oh, because he's doing a headhunter troll. Cool. I remember them from Warcraft 3. OP. So, yeah. I'll probably leave it there. Hopefully I'll have some concepts done tomorrow. Though I could end up being busy, we'll see. But if not, we'll definitely start that tomorrow, which will be really good to get that started, because I don't quite have as much time as everyone else, so I would really like to get onto modeling this as soon as possible. But yeah, like I said, I'll leave it there. So hopefully you had a good weekend, and hopefully you have a good Monday, and you've had a good Monday, I should say. And I will talk to you again tomorrow. Alright, cheers guys.